Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter income determination, that is investment function. As we studied earlier, uh, that AD is comprised the investment expenditure as well. This investment refer a demand of capital which created addition to the stock of the real capital, increase the productivity capacity of the economy. Generally, investment expenditure in two type: index investment and autonomous investment. The sub characteristic of index investment: it index investment by profit motive. It is increased with increase in income, that is it is the income elasticity. It has positive relation with the income, so in the figure 6.6, and it is generally done by the private sector. Here you can see that the private positive investment index investment. Then some characteristic of autonomous investment: it is done for the public welfare and is not for the interest by the profit motive, and it remain constant in respective of the level of income, and it income inelasticity in parallel as shown figure 6.7, and it is generally done by the government. For the purpose of AD, we consider only autonomous investment. Therefore, whenever we study the AD, investment is always autonomous investment, and in case denoted as a 1. Important point: autonomous expenditure, autonomous consumption expenditure plus autonomous investment expenditure, that is A bar is equal to C bar plus I bar. Then what is the difference between the index investment and autonomous investment? The motive: index investment is driven by the profit motive, autonomous investment is done for the public welfare and not for the profit. Income elasticity: it is the income elasticity must increase income level raise its level and is unaffected the change in income level. Investment curve: it curves slope upward, it is income elasticity. It curve parallel to the x-axis, it is income inelasticity. Sector: it is generally done by the private sector, or it is generally done by the government sector. Next, derivation of consumption curve from the saving curve. Here we have the saving SS and income OY, and which is 45 degree, which are shown in the figure 6.8. The first we can see the data: the income are given, consumption are given, saving y minus c APC c upon y, MPC delta c upon delta y, APS s upon y, or MPS. At the zero level of income, this saving is C bar, and therefore O will be the autonomous consumption, and which is starting point of the consumption curve. Like that, saving curve is 0 point at point C, and which indicate that at this point income consumption, therefore consumption curve will intersect income curve at the point B. Now when we point A and B extend, it will get the consumption curve CC. Thank you.